Welcome to my YouTube channel Pentesting.in. These are my contact information. I am providing online training for these technologies: Cisco, Microsoft, CompTIA, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, Palo Alto, F5, Linux, Wireshark, etc. Now I will show you how you can download Windows Server 2019 and install Windows Server 2019 on VMware. So first we have to search this download Windows Server 2019 in Google and open this link. Choose Windows Server 2019, choose the ISO option, continue, enter the information and click on continue. You will get the download button and from there you can download Windows Server 2019. After downloading Windows Server 2019, now I will show you how you can install Windows Server 2019 on VMware. Okay. So go to File, New Virtual Machine, choose Typical. Next, here choose I will install the operating system later. Next, choose Microsoft Windows and here Windows Server 2019. Okay, choose Windows Server 2019 from here. Next, and choose the path where you want to save it. I am going to save it on my J drive. Next, I am going to store virtual disk as a single file. So by default, it is allocating 60 GB. You can increase it if you want, but don't decrease it too much. Now customize hardware. How much RAM you want to give to this virtual machine? I want to allocate 8 GB of RAM. You can see over here. This is the configuration of my computer i5. Okay, 8400 CPU and socket 1 cores 6. The memory present in my computer is 24 GB. So I'm going to allocate 8 GB of RAM to this Windows Server 2019 virtual machine. Processor is 1 and core 6. In the network adapter, I'm not going to connect this virtual machine to the internet. I am going to assign this RAM segment 1 to this virtual machine. Close. Finish. Now go to the edit virtual machine. This is Windows Server 2019. Edit virtual machine settings. Go to the CD DVD option and from here choose the Windows Server 2019 ISO image which you have downloaded. This is the Windows Server 2019 ISO image which I have already downloaded. Okay. Now power on this virtual machine. Press the enter key. Choose the time currency format. Okay, so I'm from India, so I'm going to choose India over here. Install now. So this is the command line you will get on the command interface. I want to install the desktop interface also, so I'm choosing this one, desktop experience. This is the command prompt and the power cell you will get. I'm going to install the desktop experience with the graphical user interface. Next, accept, custom install. So this is a 60 GB virtual hard disk. I'm going to install it on this one. I'm not going to partition it. It is already very small in size. And later on, if more space is needed, I'm going to add new virtual hard disks. Next, the installation has begun. It will take some time. Now we have to enter the password for the administrator user account. Finish. Now to log in, right click over here, go to send, control or delete, enter the password and log in. This is how we can install Windows Server 2019 on VMware.